বিএনআর রিক্রিয়েশন ক্লাব এর সদস্য এবং তাদের পরিবারদেরকে হার্দিক অভ্যর্থনা জানাই। Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are celebrating the annual cultural function of BNR Recreation Club as a mark of 80th years of completing. On behalf of BNR Club, I welcome our chief guest, Mr. A.K. Jain, General Manager, Southeastern Railway, Mrs. Archana Jain, President, Southeastern Railway Women Welfare Organization, Mr. S.K. Chaudhary, Assistant General Manager, Southeastern Railway. I welcome our guests and the legend players, Mr. Arun Ghosh, Mr. James Karkekta, Mr. Shanti Ghoshal, Mr. Gurbakh Singh. I also welcome all the veteran players of BNR Club who made the club proud, not only in Kolkata Maidan, but also all over India. My heartiest welcome to all the supporters, well-wishers, members, their families and media friends who has come over here to become a part of the history. Our lead sponsors are BESCO Limited, GPT Infra Projects Limited, Titagar Wagons Limited, Texmaco Limited, Jindal Steel and Power Limited, JSW Bengal Steel, Electrosteel Integrated Limited, Hindalco Industries Limited. Associate sponsors Adhunik Metallics, Rungta Mines Limited in Logistics. As you know, the club has produced number of national and international level players. They brought several laurels for the country from Asian Games and Olympics. This heritage club is still carrying its spirit and inspiring the generation next. Before we enter the gala event, we would like to welcome our guests with floral bouquet. I would request Mr. Sumit Narula, President, BNR Recreation Club, to offer the floral presentation to our chief guest, Mr. A.K. Jain. Mr. Narula, please. Mrs. Malvika Narula to present the bouquet to Mrs. Archana Jain. The Secretary of BNR Recreation Club, Mr. P.K. Basu, for the presentation of floral bouquet to Mr. S.K. Chaudhary. Mr. P.K. Basu to Mr. Arun Ghosh. Mr. Arun Ghosh. Here now we need it, the claps. Shanti Ghoshal, the great cricket player. Mr. Kishan Lal, beloved son of late Mr. Sahu Mewala. Mr. James Karkekta, the magic creating hockey player. I would now like to request Mr. Sumit Narula to welcome General Manager of Southern Railway, Shri Deepak Krishan. রইবে না নির্বা ছন্দ তাহার রইবে বেঁচে কিশলয়ে নবীন নাচে নেচে নেচে আপনাদের তোলা আনন্দের ছন্দে এখনো মন আমাদের বেঁধে আছে শুধু মনই না স্মৃতি ময়দানে Now I would like to request Mr. P.K. Basu to come up on the stage to share his views and experiences with us.
Namaskar, good evening. Respected Sri A.K. Jain, General Manager South Eastern Railway and Chief Patron of BNR Recreation Club, Sri S.K. Chaudhary, AGM South Eastern Railway and Patron of BNR Recreation Club, Srimati Archana Jain, President Sargo, and Srimati Vaswati Chaudhary, Vice President Sargo, Sri Somit Norula, President of BNR Recreation Club, distinguished guests, members of BNR Recreation Club, members of the press and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this spectacular evening of BNR night being organized by BNR Recreation Club. My association with BNR Recreation Club has been since January 2006. I will never forget that day on 1st of March 2006 when my cricket team was struggling relegation fight for keeping its existence in the First Division Cricket League under Shevi. We won the match and our journey started from that time with repeated success to redeem our lost glory. I must also recall the days of 60s when BNR had a tremendous success in football, cricket and hockey. In football, BNR lifted IFSC in 1963, Rovers Cup in 1964. In the First Division CAB knockout, BNR emerged as championship in 1963 also. This was not the end of episode, but more feathers were added to BNR's cap during all the past years. After 1931, BNR had a tremendous success in hockey event also. BNR lifted championship trophy 6 times and also became runners-up 8 times in the Baton Cup. I must pay respect and regards to all our legendary footballers like late Shahu Mewala, Sri T. Balaraman, Sri Arun Ghosh, great hockey players like Leslie Claudius, late Joginder Singh, Hamid, famous cricketers like M.P. Parmar, Shanti Ghoshal are just only a few amongst a host of notable luminaries. I must place on record my sincere gratitude to the galaxy of legendary players who have been kind enough to accept our invitation, come here all the way from far away places. Under the able guidance of the then President Sri Soibal Bose and present President Sri Sumit Norula, our football team has been promoted in Premier League and playing with all professional clubs in Calcutta. I still remember my boyhood days when we were very much thrilled to witness the matches against BNR versus Mohun Bagan or East Bengal or other professional clubs. In 2007, we made the history again by lifting 3 runners-up trophies in CAB League, Knockout and Peace Trophy. The hockey team emerged runners-up consecutively in 2006 and 2007. Besides all local leagues, BNR football team lifted championship trophy in ONGC Cup in 2006 and became runners-up in Sambalpur Cup 2007. BNR lifted Sundargarh All India BM Championship trophy in 2007. In 2008, we emerged the runners-up in Delhi Rajara Iron Gold Cup. BNR also emerged the runners-up in Sikkim Governors Gold Cup tournament in the current year also. The capsule version of the documentary covering the historical background of the club, its past and present glories, about the living legends of the club being released today is the brainchild of Mr. Sumit Narula, President of the BNR Recreation Club. The full version of the documentary will be released soon in presence of all legendary BNR sportspersons. In this endeavor, the role of Dr. P.K. Majumdar and Mrs. Nivedita Majumdar is laudable. My gratitude to Mrs. Nivedita Majumdar, who has come forward to bring out the documentary in a very short time, and this will be released today. All these achievements would not have been possible without the help of support given by Sri S.K. Chaudhary, General Secretary of SETSA, for day-to-day activities. I express my sincere gratitude to Sri Shapan Kumar Chaudhary, Additional General Manager and Patron of this club, for inspiring us all the time. The encouragement given by Sri A.K. Jain, General Manager, South Eastern Railway and Chief Patron of this club, is unforgettable to uplifting BNR Club to its current position. I would say that our journey is still on to regain our lost glory and also to bring up this club to one of the best professional clubs in Kolkata. I seek your blessings and best wishes for further improvement of this club. পরিশেষে আমি এটাই বলতে চাই, 2007 মে আমি যখন এই মঞ্চে উপস্থিত ছিলাম তখন আপনারা আশীর্বাদ করেছিলেন এবং তার জন্যে আজকে আমরা প্রিমিয়ার লিগে খেলছি। আপনারা আজও আমাদের শুভেচ্ছা এবং আশীর্বাদ দিন যাতে বিএনআরকে একটা গ্রেটার হাইটসে আমরা পৌঁছাতে পারি। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you, sir, for the informative speech and showing the humble thankfulness. Now, I would request our chief guest, Mr. A.K. Jain, on stage to share the moment with us, sir. Now, we are going to witness the historical moment in BNR Recreation Club. The club is going to felicitate our legendary champions. Today, BNR Club will felicitate 7 stars of the green field of the Golden Tank. But due to some unavoidable reasons, we are failed to get the presence of Leslie Claudius, T. Balaraman, MP Parmar. But we are enough fortunate to share the moment with Mr. Arun Ghosh, Shanti Ghoshal and James Karkata. Arjun awardee, the great wall of Indian football defense, received Arjun Award when he was in railway service